English General Quiz. 40 mixed questions. Test how many you can get right. What is the opposite of obsolete? Answer A. Modern. What is the opposite of perilous? Answer B. Safe. What is the synonym of empty? Answer C. Hollow. What is the synonym of thick? Answer D. Dense. What does take a hint mean? Answer A. Understand a hint. What does up to speed mean? Answer D. Fully informed. Plural of light bulb. Answer A. Light bulbs. What is the plural of hedgehog? Answer C. Hedgehogs. Fill in the missing word. Answer D. He complained about the poor service. Which word is missing? Answer C. We are satisfied with the final result. What organization is responsible for foreign intelligence in the U.S.? Answer D. CIA. What organization is a major U.S. television news network? Answer A. CNN. What is the past tense of call? Answer D. Called. Second form of turn. Answer B. Turned. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Initial. How is this word spelled? Answer C. Luxury. Opposite of hasty. Answer B, deliberate. Opposite of impartial. Answer C, biased. What is the opposite of lenient? Answer A, strict. What is the synonym of spotless? Answer D, tidy. What is the synonym of cross? Answer B, angry. What is the synonym of weary? Answer A, tired. What does your guess is as good as mine mean? Answer D, I don't know. What does back and forth mean? Answer B, back and forth repeatedly. What does speak your mind mean? Answer C, speak honestly. What is the plural of razor? Answer B, razors. What is the plural of scale? Answer C, scales. What is the plural of bathtub? Answer A, bathtubs. What is the plural of fork? Answer D, forks. Fill in the missing word. Answer B, she is responsible for customer support. Which word is missing? Answer C, he depends on public transport. Which word is missing? Answer D, she is interested in joining the club. What is the past tense of answer? Answer A, answered. Past tense of sow. Answer C. Sewed. What is the second form of speed? Answer B. Sped. Past tense of thrust. Answer C. Thrust. How is this word spelled? Answer D. Absence. Which spelling is correct? Answer B. Appeal. How is this word spelled? Answer C. Calculate. Which option is correct? Answer A. Hypothesis. Congratulations! You did a great job. Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.